Zcal versus Calendly versus TidyCal. Which scheduling tool is best? So today we will be talking about the overview, pricing, user experience, and some features of these three scheduling tools. So first, let's start with Zcal. So Zcal is best for personal branding and modern simplicity. Zcal is the new kid on the block, positioning itself as a free, privacy respecting, and aesthetic alternative to tools like Calendly. What are the pros? 100% free, no hidden costs for essential features, stunning booking pages, add profile, pictures, bios, social links, and even a welcome video. Privacy first doesn't track users unnecessarily, and Google Outlook Sync, easy calendar syncing, simple RSVP and event types, one-off events, group meetings, or open invites. This one is ideal for coaches, creatives, freelancers, and educators, personal brands who care about how their booking page looks, and users who want powerful scheduling without paying. Let's talk about Calendly. This one is best for business teams and integration. So Calendly is industry leader, trusted by millions of professionals and businesses. Also, what are the pros of Calendly? It has powerful integrations like Zoom, Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and more. For workflows, automate reminders, follow ups, and tasks, custom question and form logic, great for pre meeting qualifications, for mobile application analytics, useful for teams and metrics. So, this one is ideal for sales and marketing teams, growing startups and agencies, anyone needing advanced automation and CRM integrations. Lastly, we have here TidyCal. This one is best for solopreneurs and budget users. So TidyCal is a minimalist scheduling tool created by AppSumo. What are the pros? Lifetime deal, pay once, use forever, no need to upgrade. Basic calendar syncing supports Google and Microsoft calendars, multiple event types, paid and free meetings, built-in booking links and availability settings, and integrates with Zapier and webhooks for automation. And I think that's it. So for recommendation based on your needs, for personal use or solopreneurs, choose Zcal. You get beautiful branding, smart scheduling, and all for free. For teams and businesses, choose Calendly. You will benefit from integrations, automations, and pro-level workflows. And for budget-conscious users, choose TidyCal. This one is a one-time payment, and it gives you solid functionality forever. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.